everyone. So today I am going to discuss to you what is force, and please watch the video until the end.
Okay, force. Okay, force is a push or a pull. So a push is when you move an object away from you, and a pull when you moves an object closer to you. So this one is pulling the object, and this one is pushing the object. Okay, so force, you cannot see a force, but you can see what it does. You can also feel the effect of force on your body. Okay, so forces can be strong or weak. So it causes a change in an object's size and shape, change in motion, and change in direction. Okay, so let's go first to the change in size and shape. So as you can see, the girl is blowing an air to the balloon, which makes the balloon change in size and shape. Okay, so force is exerted on the balloon by blowing air on it. Next, the boy is playing with the clay. So from a rectangular shape to human shape and an animal shape. So it also changes in size. Okay, so the force is exerted to change the size and shape of a clay. Now let's go to change in motion. Okay, so force can slow down a moving bike. Okay, so it's up for the human to slow down. So using the pedals. Okay, so that is the change in motion. Okay, next, let's go to the change in direction. Okay, so force is needed to hit the ball, which changes its direction. So after you hit the ball from its position, it will change to another position or another direction. Okay, now let's go to the types of force. So there are two types of force. The first one is the contact forces, and the second one is the non-contact forces. Okay, so contact forces, a force that is exerted only when two objects are touching. So like in the picture, so when you are writing, you are holding the other thing, which is the pencil. Okay, next one, the non-contact forces. A force that can be applied without any contact between two bodies is called non-contact forces. So, for example, the magnetic force. So, the magnet and the nails. So, they are attracted from each other. Okay, so let's go first to the contact forces. So, there are one type of contact forces, and that is the friction. Okay, so when we say friction, it is the resistance to motion of one object moving relative to one another. Okay, so there are three types of friction. So the first one is the static friction, the second one is the sliding friction, and the third one is the rolling friction. Okay, so now let's go to the non-contact forces. So there are two types of non-contact forces. The first one is the gravity. So the gravity is a force that pulls an object toward the center of the earth. And the magnetic force, attraction or repulsion that arises between electrically charged particles because of their motion. Okay, so let's go now to gravity. So as you can see in the picture, the apple is falling downward. So it is because of the gravity. So without gravity in Earth, we are now flying in the sky. Okay, so next, magnetic force. Okay, so just like in the previous example, so there is a magnet and the screw. Okay, so they are attracting from each other because of their electrically charged particles.